Hello, it's Vicki Boutin, and I am so excited to be sharing my first ever release with Sizzix. This collaboration with Sizzix, 6 new SKUs. I am a brand new brand ambassador with my friends and team at Sizzix. It has been a wonderful experience. I have been waiting forever to share my excitement and my whole thought process behind this release. Things that I think will be versatile. Release. I wanted it to be versatile. I wanted it to have multi-use. I want it to be evergreen products. So these are items that you can use and mix in with things that you already own, things that will be coming down the pipeline. And I love it. It is layerable. It is buildable. It can be used for cards. It can be used for scrapbook pages. These items can be used in your art journals or any kind of crafting. Really, it's just art for everyone into easy, buildable layers. And it's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to make with this. It is available now at Sizzix.com or your favorite retailers. Let's take a look at the 6 SKUs. And I can't wait to see what you guys are going to make. So make sure that you tag me. Tag Vicki Boutin. Tag Sizzix. Let us all see. Let's inspire this community to make some really pretty art. And without further ado, let's get into it. So here are the 6 new SKUs that I have with my partnership with Sizzix. I'm going to do a walkthrough and show you a close-up of what you get in each package. I'm going to show you a little bit of art. And I can't wait to share the inspiration I had and the ideas that went into creating this first release with Sizzix. So let's take a look. So up first is the stamp and framelit set. It is called Floral Layers. And in this set, you get a set of stamps, 16 pieces, and 35 dies. And I absolutely love this. So it is hand-drawn art, which is something that's new. So I drew all of these patterns, and I hope you can see that. There's not too much glare on it, but I wanted to have variations in scale, lots of centers, and items that you can mix and match and layer and cluster. And it's a lot of fun. Let's take a look at what it looks like on this card that I put together for you guys. So you can see that you have your stamped images that I've stamped in black. You can stamp in black color, that you can watercolor, use your colored pencils with these. And then you also have your shadow die, or it is also the die that will cut out your stamped images. And I wanted to make sure that we had art that you could also use to cut out your mixed media backgrounds, and that you had lots of versatility. So lots of bang for your buck in this set. And I love all of the little centers with this. Let's take a little peek at some art that I made with this set. Again, this is your Floral Layers set, and it is 667074 for this set. So take a look at the scrapbook page that I created. You could make cards out of this background items as well. I used gel plate prints that I had made, and then I just used the dies to cut them out. I absolutely love how this turned out. And you're going to see some of these are little sneak peeks, and the stencil art in the background as well. Lots of fun. So I'm going to show you lots of different samples as I walk through, but this is a fun first peek. So again, this is your Floral Layers set, and I'm going to show you how it works with some of the sets that are coming up. So let's take a look at the next one. I created a second stamp and framelit set. This one is called Greenery Layers, and it's exactly that. It has all your elements that will go with your florals or stand alone. This set has 12 stamps and 26 dies. Has some butterflies in there. It is again a hand-drawn art, and the idea that I wanted pieces that were scaled a little bit on the larger side, so I can use them in multiple ways. I can use them on cards, I can use them in my art journal, I could use them to make patterned, repeatable patterns, or I could make wrapping paper, I could make cards. So I wanted a really versatile set, and then we added some butterflies in here, and these work beautifully as well with the Floral Layer set. Again, I love the packaging that you have the storage for your dies. Let's take a look at what the art looks like for your greenery layers. And here again, your stamped images. And then you have all that texture and pattern. I don't know, I hope you can see that on here with the debossing, embossing, the vein as layerable pieces, the veining for your leaf, and then your butterflies. And then again, you have standalone dies that you can cut out from or cut out your mixed media backgrounds or your art. I wanted this to be super versatile. So let's take a look at a card I made with this set. So here is a card that I made with the Greenery Layers set. I made this kind of opening, but you can use this in so many ways. It's going to work beautifully with your flowers, and really it can mix and match with so many of the dies and stamps that you already own. And I wanted it to be kind of an evergreen set, so you can mix and you can make lots of different floral bouquets and clusters. I love it. This is the Greenery Layers, and I will give you the number for that one as well. It is 667075, the Greenery Layers set. Next up, we have the Thinlit die set. It is called Double Edgers. I wanted a set that, again, would be buildable and something that I can use for my clusters. I can use for cards. I can use it in my mini albums. And these are some of my favorite patterns when it comes to borders and edges. And I thought it would be fun to do it as a double, so it could be scored and you could use on pages that you can see your front and back, like in a mini album. I love this set. It comes with 3 dies. This is what they look like cut. It is so much fun. And let me share a card that I made. This is going to have so much longevity. Just having something that I can just pull out a die and I can make these fun little double edges that can be used together or cut apart. And then that gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 patterns. Love it. This is a card I made using a repeat pattern with the double edgers, and then you can see that the just plain scallop is on the top, and this die I'm going to show you in a minute, and then a stencil in the background. But I absolutely love this. I love the versatility of this set, and again, that you're going to get lots of longevity out of it. So I love this. This one is double edgers, 3 Thinlits in the set, and the number for this one is 667072. I love handwritten elements, and I love to use my handwriting in my projects. So this one is going to be one of hopefully many. This is Vicki Script 1, and in this you get 17 dies, Thinlits. I love it, this Thinlit set. Here's a closer look. Your images are just the nice thin handwriting, and then you have your shadow die to cut out and layer. This is a lot of fun. The scale is a little bit on the larger side, so you can use it for cards. You can use it again for your art journals, your scrapbook pages. I wanted it to be a really versatile set, and then I love the little added icons that you can cluster, and we can just get a little bit more bang for your buck in this set. Again, this one is called Vicki Script 1, and I will show you another sample or a couple samples using this set. So I just repeated the love, 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 love you, and I love it. It's so much fun. I love it. Love, love, love. I love it. And I showed you this one already, where you can see it with the shadow layer, and here as well. I think this is a lot of fun, and this one is called Vicki Script number 1, and the number for this, or the SKU, is 667073. Vicki Script number 1. I love stencils, and I like to have stencils that are a little on the larger side, so you have a lot of, again, versatility. It is definitely a common thread with this whole first release with Sizzix. In this set, you get 4 stencils. I absolutely love the patterns that we chose to start out. They come in this fun storage pouch. You get these 4 patterns, and I stenciled them with some distress ink just so you guys could see a little closer. You have this heart pattern. You have this kind of tiley repeated pattern, and I love that you could repeat it across the page. And then you have your circles, and then you have your starbursts. This set is called Buildable Backgrounds, and again, it's going to be great for layering, and it's a set I'm hoping to build on. Literally, that you'll have lots of these sets, and again, in larger scale, so that you can use it in multiple ways on your cards, on your scrapbook pages, in your mixed media projects. So this set again is called Buildable Backgrounds #1, and the SKU for this is 667070. And let's show you some samples that I created using this. Look at, that's with the Floral Layers you can see in the background. And then I did some different patterns with it. You can see there. I love it. Versatile, fun. Lots more to come. But this set again is called the Buildable Backgrounds Stencil, and you get the 4 patterns in there. So let me show you the last SKU. Buildable Botanicals is the last SKU in my first release with Sizzix. Again, with this, you get 4 of these layerable stencils in this nice large size. I absolutely love it. 4 patterns, some florals, some leaves. Let's take a quicker look, or a closer look, not a quicker look. And this is this beautiful floral that I drew, and you could use it in one colorway. You could do it in ombre, or you can color out all the sections. I love it. You have this floral that is kind of a standalone pattern. I can't wait to use these on my gel plates as well, or on my gel plate for printing. And then it has that little script beside it. Again, my hand drawing. And some leaves. Great background for those florals and the greenery patterns. And then a great repeatable tile pattern. I love this. Very versatile. This set again is called Buildable Botanicals, and the SKU is 667071. I love it. Let me take you, or show you. Don't have to take you anywhere. I'm going to show you a little sample of some art that I made with this set. How pretty is that? So I think stencils are great for layering. I love building layers and making my art super interesting. And I think stencils are the key to that. And I love how this turned out. This is using all the sets pretty much. You have your stencils in the background. You have your floral layers, your greenery layers, and then the Vicki Script one. Love it. I can't wait to share a ton more art. So many things, look at, that we're going to make. So much fun is going to be had with these sets. When the design team and everybody gets their hands on it, make sure you tag me. I want to see what you're making. I want to be inspired by how you want to use these and how you're going to make art for everyone and make art accessible, layers and clusters and all that fun. Thank you for joining me. I am beyond thrilled for this collaboration with Sizzix. I can't wait to share the other things that we have cooking up. And again, all usable, layerable, good value art, so we can add it to our creative toolbox. So watch for more to come, but thank you for letting me share my first collection with Sizzix, and it is available at Sizzix.com and at your favorite retailers. And we'll see you soon.